Shaista ma'am.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. Sorry for that. Like, see, actually, there was no power. Ma, just now I got the connection and there was no charging, even my mobile also.
Yeah,
I
I
hope
can
you did not
understand.
mind,
Yes.
girls. Please
No, no,
try to understand. Like, I was having technical issues. Neither the mobile was on nor my Wi Fi because of the power issues.
no, no,
Okay.
no, no issues. I can understand. We were
Yeah.
just waiting. No issues, ma'am.
Even like yeah, continue, ma. Okay, I'll see to it that does not happen. But it because of the power issues. Okay, hope you will not mind.
No, 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 no. It's okay. I can completely understand, ma'am. No issues.
Yeah, thank you, ma. Okay, I'm leaving the meeting. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Good afternoon, all.
Walaikum assalam, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. Yeah. So today there will be the revision for all the 3 units. Okay. Start the revision for all the 3 units. Okay, from the first to the third unit. Start preparing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And I'll be asking the questions to each and every one. And inshallah, by tomorrow, we'll be conducting the test. Okay, we'll be conducting the test through this Google Classrooms only. With the help of this Google Classroom, I'll be conducting the test for all the 3 units. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you, you must attend the test. I'm telling to all of you, you must attend the test. All the participants here, all the 52 participants over here, should attend the test. Whomsoever is attending the class now, or maybe in meantime when they are going to attend the class, latecomers also have to attend the test. Okay, either tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll be conducting the test. I'll be issuing the test link. You have to attend the test.
Okay, ma'am.
Zoom app, ma'am.
Yes.
In Zoom app.
Not in Zoom, but through the use of Google Classrooms.
Ma'am, it is not coming.
Request, ma'am.
I'm showing password has changed. ID is
Uh,
required.
yeah, Amtul Yasmin, okay, you must contact your college principal. Okay, there was same thing happened with our branch student also. So principal ma'am must recover that thing. Okay, you must contact your branch principal and she will lead you for these things.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, when you will send the link in Google Classroom, we will send in our MSc group so that everyone can join that link. Okay.
It's not like I'm sending it to individual. I am sending it in the groups only.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Start the revision, all of you. Start the revision from the first to the third unit. Yes. I may be giving the topics to each and every one. You must be presenting it in front of your classmates just for the purpose of revision. Okay. Open your books and start revising it, all of you. Mariam, are you
You
there?
see, ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I would like to share my Google Classroom screen as BOM class is not there for me. It's like subject FIT room one, only like that it's there.
Yes,
Okay.
and
Still, your issue is
same
not
here.
been resolved, Sarah.
No, ma'am, I have refreshed and I have checked everything again. It's not there.
It's only for FIT, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Right
Would you
till
make me
yet
co-host or
also,
something?
some of the girls of Shalibanda are not able to access the Google Classroom because they were not added in the group by principal ma'am of our branch.
Okay. Then you must talk to your principal. Na? Someone should talk to her.
Because
And
ma'am, I have raised this issue as a day 2 days or 3 days back. She said she'll be having a technical issue right from the HOD, that to my subtank branch. She said like this.
okay, so it will be solved out very quickly. So until and unless I told you, okay, if not possible through Google Classroom, you must be sending the notes to each other through the
Yeah,
WhatsApp
notes I
link.
got, ma'am. But about this test, I was saying that I couldn't write in Google Classroom since BOM class is not there. FIT class is there, but
Okay, we'll look into that. Okay, we'll look into that either through the test or either through the presentations like PPTs. Without the slides, you must only present it. We'll do like this. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just to make sure that you have revised the topics, you are familiar with the topics, you know each and every topics because we have already completed 3 units. Okay, because
Yes.
yeah, before finishing the third unit, like we are in the last topic for finishing the third unit. Only fails 14 principles are left out. That is the last topic in the third unit. Okay, before finishing that, I want to make sure that each and every student is familiar with all the 3 units concept.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I was telling something to Mariam. Mariam, are you there? Can you unmute yourself? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First unit, what are the topics we have? Forms of business organization, sole proprietorship, partnership, and JSC.
Yes.
Yeah. You go ahead with the topic. Okay. For the revisions and all.
Okay. First chapter.
Uh, yeah. Shafia Fatima, you are there with Okay, Lubna Hamid, you go with the topic of memorandum of association.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so 2 units completed with memorandum of association.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, shall I take AOA?
Who's this?
Sumaya Mariam, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So let me tell you once again, it's not like just reading out from the textbook. It's like a kind of revision. Okay, okay. It should be in an easy way.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So take at least 5 minutes of time. Okay, girls. The starting topics are sole proprietorship and partnership firm. Who's ready with the topic? Within 5 minutes, exactly at 1:42. 1:42, you must be starting it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Hello. Lubna, you please carry on with your work. Okay. Try to maintain it. Okay. I'll be just back.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, must start with the topics, Maria. Start with it. Sole proprietor
Okay,
and this partnership, right?
okay, ma'am. Today, my topic is forms of business organization. Our first chapter name is Introduction and Forms of Business Organization. As you know, I am Mariam Abdullah from Shalibanda, and today my topics is sole proprietorship and joint Indo family business. First, we'll go with business. What is business? Business is divided into three: trade, industry, and communication. Business is nothing but bringing goods and selling to others for profit motive is just a business. So under business organization is nothing but it performs the commercial as well as industrial business. So choosing a form of business organization is nothing but seeing the nature of the business, that is volume of the business, large, whether it is a large scale business, medium scale business, or small scale business. And size of the market is also important factor for knowing a form of business organization, which is nothing but local, national, or international. And another thing is capital, the amount of capital which needs to be invested in the business. Only the 5 things matters, that is volume of the business, size of the business, amount of the capital, and risk and liability, and willingness, how the owner will bear the loss and enjoy the profit. These is the main factors which needs to be fulfilled for running a prosperous and a good business and choosing a form of business organization. Under that, we have many types such as sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family business, partnership firm, joint stock company, and cooperative society. Under that, I am going to explain now sole proprietorship. By the name sole proprietorship, it is giving that sole means single. By the name itself, it is defining that sole. Sole means single. And proprietor is nothing but the owner of the business who runs the business. So by the name itself, we are getting the indication as sole proprietorship is nothing but a business which is run by a single person, sole person, who is the owner of the business. At the same time, he is enjoying the profits and uh, bearing the loss and risk of the business. As he is the single owner, he is liable for the risk and liabilities of the business. And he is the owner, so he is the single owner. He only manages all the things in the business, and the only source of capital is from her only. And in business, the enterprise and the proprietor is same in the form of business organization of sole proprietorship. The owner and the enterprise is same in the eyes of business when it is a type of sole proprietorship. Now we will go through the advantages of sole proprietorship. Once we'll go with the definition, that is sole proprietorship is nothing but when the ownership and management of a business are in a control of one individual, that is sole or single individual. The form of business organization is called as sole proprietorship. A single owner who owns the business. Then characteristics, the business enterprise is owned by one single individual, and both profit and risk belong to him. He is the owner and a manager as well. Owner is the only source of capital, and the proprietor and business enterprise are same in the eyes of law. Law is nothing but the business in the eyes of business, you can say. Then advantages, easy formation, as it is a single owner, so no objection is there. So a single formation and better control and prompt action can be taken, and flexible operations. If there are more than 2 members, the point of view of the mind will be changed. As we all knew that during our classes also, the objection is more. Why? Because I'm not pointing out someone that, but the thing is, if there are more than 1 member, the thinking point of view will be changed. So in sole proprietorship, it is the advantage that he'll have the better control, and prompt action can be taken. Prompt means immediately action can be taken. Then subject to fewer regulations, and fewer regulations means there are less restrictions when compared to partnership firm. Then not subject to corporate income tax. Corporate income tax means uh, income tax. He is not he is not It is not mandatory for her to pay the income tax. And ownership of all the profits, as he is the single owner, he is enjoying all the profits, and profits are not divided. Then everything which has advantages also have disadvantages. So we'll go through the disadvantages. Owner has unlimited liability. If suppose he is getting loss in any business, he is getting loss in any, due to fire brigade or a circuit or fire, something goods has lost, so he is the only person who needs to solve the business. Or otherwise, if he don't have more capital to fulfill those risks, he has to pay the loss through his personal liability. because he is the single owner, he can't take some loan. If he take loans also, then and there, after some time of maturity, then he needs to pay the amount. So the thing is, owner has unlimited liability. If some loss happens, if he is not able to overcome that loss, he needs to get personal liabilities for the business. That's the reason he is having unlimited liability. Difficult to raise capital. In partnership firm, we will raise capitals, we will raise shares to get more capital. In partnership firm, I repeat, in partnership firm, we raise shares to get more investment of capital. As he is the single owner, so uh, he will get uh, he will get some problem to raise the capital. Then third is, business has a limited life. As if he get ill, or something happens to him, if he is not mentally stable, or he's having some work at home, so at that day he won't able to carry the business, because as he's the single owner, if he wants to go to home, then he needs to shut down his shop and he needs to go to home. So that's the reason. And if he get loss, and in second situation, if he gets some loss in the business, and that loss is not covered by his invested capital, he needs to provide the personal liabilities for that. So if that personal liability is not also available to cover that loss, then he don't have any other option to wind up the business. So the life of the business of sole proprietorship will be limited life. Fourth is, difficult to do business beyond a certain site. Likewise, as he is the single owner and he needs to manage all the things, if he put branches also, he needs to be have some partners to run that branch. So the site beyond his eyes is not so difficult to do business beyond a certain site. That's it. Is anyone is having any doubt, they can clear about sole
So you
proprietorship.
completed about sole proprietor and also the partnership.
No, just sole
No, ma'am,
proprietor.
partnership no.
Only sole proprietorship. Just I have given the example of partnership. Compare
Yes.
comparison.
Sakina, yeah. Unmute yourself, Sakina.
No, ma'am, by
Okay, fine. So just wait. We'll just cover up with the attendance part. Okay, we'll just finish with this attendance part. I'll take the attendance. Just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Shalibanda branch girls, raise your hand. Zainab Riaz, Yasmin Sultana, Uzma, Umme Hani, Tasneem, Shaista, Maria. You are from Shalibanda branch. I asked you to raise the hands from the Shalibanda branch. Girls, can you hear me? Zainab Riaz, Yasmin, Uzma Fatima, Umme Hani.
ma'am. 42, ma'am, from Salibanda.
Yes, yes. Okay, Malakpet branch girls, raise your hand.
Namira Fatima from Malakpet. You didn't raise your hand, Namira. Okay, Mariam, you can continue.
Okay, ma'am. Then second topic is joint Hindu family business or joint Hindu undivided family. So it is nothing by the name itself. It is giving the definition as family, which means this business organization is done within the family itself, and this happens. This type of business exists only in India, and the head of the family who is known as the elder member, or you can say the head, is known as karta, and he is the only one who manages all the things in the business. As we all know, every business is a legal entity, so it should have some legal status. So this business organization is controlled under Hindu Session Law 1956, and the eldest member is known as karta. He manages all the things in the business, and he has the unlimited powers and control over the business, as he is the only one who is not answerable to the family. As he is the eldest and the head of the family, he is not answerable to any member in the family, and this exists only in India. And this type of business organization is formed under within the family. Features of joint stock family: governing body, as karta is the governing body; sharing profits, as karta takes the decision of profit sharing ratio according to his convenience; liability, he is also liable, karta is liable; and business formation, he is only the one person who forms business, these type of business. And membership in HUF, membership is nothing but the uh, sons of karta who will have a membership, and they also contribute in the business as they are enjoying profits. So that's the reason they'll have the membership in HUF. And management of HUF business, management is nothing but managing the risk, managing the liabilities, managing the whole association or organization is done by karta. And accounts, it is also prepared by karta, and he is not answerable to anyone in the family, and no one members of the family are getting the rights to ask something to karta, as he is the head of the family and the eldest member. That's it. Is anyone is having any doubt in sole proprietorship as well as in HUF, can ask me. Nobody?
No, it's clear.
No doubt, Alhamdulillah.
Okay, then proceed for partnership form. Who is that?
Okay, so we are about to end the session. It's like 3 minutes left. So tomorrow we'll continue both the 2 units. Okay.
Okay,
Be
ma'am.
ready, girls. Tomorrow also we'll continue with the same. And due to this technical issue and due to this network issues and all, we started very late. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow, firstly, I'll within the first starting of the class only, I'll just finish it off with the principles of scientific management. Fails principles of scientific management. That is the last topic for third unit. Then we'll continue with the 2 units revision.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Jazakallah khair, everyone. Allah Hafiz.
Wayakum, ma'am. Allah
Jazakallah,
Hafiz.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Allah Hafiz, ma'am. Take care.